Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to apply for a Tabby loan so you can shop for your favorite brands and split your payments into 4 interest-free installments. Tabby is one of the most popular buy now, pay later platforms in 2026. And the best part is that you can get approved in seconds without any complicated paperwork or hidden interest fees. The first thing you need to do is download the Tabby app from Google Play Store or the Apple Pay App Store. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on the sign up button. You will need to provide your active mobile number and a valid email address. Tabby will send a 4-digit verification code to your phone to confirm your identity. After verifying your number, you will be asked to enter your personal details, including your full name and date of birth. In 2026, you must be at least 18 years old to use the service. We need to have a valid national ID such as an Emirates ID if you are in the UAE or an Ikama if you are in Saudi Arabia. Next, you need to link a payment method to your account. This is critical step because Tabi uses this card to verify your identity and to collect your future installment automatically. You can link any valid debit or credit card from a local bank. Once your bank Once your card is linked, Tabi will perform a soft credit check that doesn't affect your maximum credit score. If everything looks good, the app will instantly show your spending limit. This limit is the maximum amount you can borrow for your shopping haul across thousands of partner stores like IKEA, Shein, and Adidas. Now that your account is active, you are now ready to shop. You can use Tabi either online or in-store. If you are shopping online, simply go to the partner website, add your items to the cart, and select Tabi at the checkout page.